it's J Rosa back at it again with another video for your girl. Before we start this video, if you have not seen part 1 to this video, I'm gonna need you to go back, check out part 1. I'm gonna link it right there, and I'm gonna link it in my description box so you can watch that first and then come back to see me. Also, if you have not subscribed to J Rosa TV, what are you doing? I need you to hit that little button right there. It's little, but it holds a lot of power. I need you to hit that button, and you have joined the fantastic voyage. Now, let's get into the video.
I would like to see it.
If you have watched part 1, which I hope you have, I twisted my hair with the leave-in cream by African Pride and this Blue Magic Original Super Sure Grow. So, I told you guys that, oh, you're going to get intensifying moisture, you're going to have moisture out the roof, you're going to be, you know, that girl. I usually twist my hair with this Blue Magic and this, and it has me booming. Boom. But I tried this one and my twister moisturized, but when I took down my hair, it might look moisturized to y'all, but when you touch it, it's not. It doesn't feel dry, but it's moisturizing, but it's not like this one. It's not like this one. Your competition is calling.
I have your competition on the phone. Let's finish this conversation another time. I have your competition on the phone.
Because this outweighs this. If you have not seen my video of me twisting my hair or braiding it with this combo, check it out. And I'm going to put on video of me taking out my hair right here of those two combinations, and a video of this and this right here. Do you see the difference? So that was not the bomb.com, and the reason why I took my hair down so early is because it just, after a certain amount of time, because I had my hair like that for 3 days and I usually leave it in for a week or 2, but it just did not feel good when I was taking my scarf off, you know, just to get some air circulation through my head, because I keep my scarf on all day if I ain't going nowhere.
Are you right?
It was just looking so dry, so I took it down, recorded a video, and the video was so trash. I was like, I cannot show them this trash video. Like, it's not informative. I had a bad attitude because I was mad at how my hair turned out. I was like, oh no, girl.
What is this, honey?
What is this? I said I'm gonna record this video for you guys and show y'all my hair. So this is how my hair is looking. I just put it into a bun, and it looks cute, but it feels rough. So do I recommend you to get this? Yes, I actually do still recommend y'all to get this product so y'all can try it out for yourselves. It has shea butter in it, jojoba oil, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. I don't know what it was that dried my hair out of these 3 products, but it was something. Maybe it has coconut oil in here somewhere, because my hair hates coconut oil. And it does. It has coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, seed oil, green tea, coconut fruit, henna. It has all that stuff in it, and my hair does not like coconut oil. They also say you should read your ingredients before you buy a product. I did not read it. I was like, it says super sure grow, so I'm sure that my hair gonna grow. But no, I'm not using this anymore on my hair. I might use it on my scalp and use this on my hair, but this on my hair is a no-go. And I still recommend y'all to get this leave-in cream. It's so moisturizing. It's thick too. If you got type 4 hair, 3C, whatever, you should get thick products. And this is really thick. This is real thick. So I was just thinking, I was like, this is gonna help my hair. It's gonna be booming, it's gonna be looking good, but no, it's trash. Ends did not make it any better. If you saw my ends in the last video, they were so moisturized, looking so good, and I told y'all that I trimmed my ends, and I was so excited at the proof. It's booming, ends looking good, but honey, my ends right there, trash. So it was really catfish AF. So yeah, my twists were moisturized. Day 3, they were not. So I still advise y'all to try this combination because it really might work for you. It might work for you. Blue Magic is a holy grail product. They need to sponsor me. Blue Magic, if you're watching my video, sponsor me, because I will have you. You know, I will support. I will try your products because they do good on my hair. Well, this does great. This does wonders. So if you try these two products and it does not work, then try this. But try this first, because this will have you not wanting to switch to nothing. This is the bomb.com, I promise. This product right here is so good. The natural hair community tries to tell y'all not to put grease on y'all hair. Petroleum is bad for your scalp. Petroleum is bad for your hair. Your hair will dry out. This Blue Magic may be, because my hair did kind of, you know, get dry. But this, no. And now everybody else is starting to jump on the Blue Magic wagon because it actually works. Blue Magic is that girl. When you were a kid, your hair was long with Blue Magic. Was it? My hair was doing something. It wasn't chicken head. So, and my mom was putting Ultra Sheen on my hair, which is something like Blue Magic. So get y'all some Blue Magic if you want your hair looking nice, if you want your hair looking moisturized. If you have problems with moisturizing your hair, use Blue Magic. Use a leave-in cream first. Water and Blue Magic is not that girl for me. You need to put in a leave-in that seals in moisture. This is a moisturizing leave-in cream. It provides intense moisture and helps repair natural coils and curls. It says it right. You need to put a moisturizing leave-in in your hair and then put Blue Magic, because Blue Magic is not a moisturizer. If you put Blue Magic on your hair right now without doing nothing, you're gonna have a dry, greasy mess. Blue Magic is a sealant. It seals in all the moisture, and then you put some oil on your hair to lock in that moisture. That's what you do when using Blue Magic. You gotta put a moisturizing cream, leave in, seal it, then put some oil. I like black castor oil because it thickens your hair and it also promotes hair growth. But as for this, I'm going to use this on my scalp. Your hair grows from your scalp. It says super sure growth, so I'm sure that it will grow on my scalp, hopefully. So I'm gonna use this on my scalp, and I'm gonna come back and tell y'all how it was probably in a month or so. But for now on, this is what I'm gonna use. These two products are going to get you right. Try them. My friends tried them and they say it's good. You put me on. So I'm trying to put y'all on. I'm trying to put y'all on because at first I was like, who would put grease in their hair? No ma'am. But nah, grease in your hair with a moisturizer will have you looking right, have your hair looking right, and have it growing, and you'll be feeling beautiful, feeling like that girl. So you won't be looking like a chicken head, basically. Get back. So I hope that y'all liked this video. I hope that it was very informative. I hope that y'all learned how to use Blue Magic in this video. LCO, liquid, cream, and the oil. I hope that y'all really learned it. If you didn't know, now you know. Also, Blue Magic is the way to go. In the African Pride Moisture Miracle, all of their products are good and moisturizer for us type 4 girls. So I really advise y'all to get some of that. The oil that I use is just some regular black castor oil. You can use tea tree oil. Peppermint oil also promotes hair growth on the scalp. So if you don't have no peppermint oil, get you some peppermint oil. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you did, comment any questions, comments, or concerns. If you have questions on what I'm doing, if you have concerns, if you want to help me out with something, let me know, because I'm always open for, you know, to be helped. So yes, and also subscribe to J My Rosa TV. Easy, 1 2 3. Hit that subscribe button, or click off and hit the subscribe button, and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video for you. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you're having a great day, a great quarantine, a great summer break. Stay in, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.